Alright, so we're gonna do the airsoft challenge thing. We got two little coat. We got the BBs, extras just in case it can be faster. And we're gonna put the cups here, and then we're gonna be back here, right here.
Bruh.
So we're gonna be doing the video now, but first we got our cups. We got tapatio. I don't know if we're gonna take like spoonful or a shot. I don't know. I don't think a shot, maybe a spoonful. I don't know if we have. A shot of lemon juice, which is like a little cup. Pickle juice, disgusting. Spoonful of mustard. Chili. Or the last one is drink water, but we're still debating on if we might switch it or we might leave it. So. But we're gonna start the challenge, and all right, let's go. Basically, whatever he shoots, I have to do. I got a spoonful of mustard. As you can see, we taped them inside just so it could be easier. Spoonful of mustard, disgusting. So now we just take the cup out, and ew.
Hey, put it in there. Eat it. Oh.
Let me show them first. Damn, this sucks.
Chili.
He's eating a chili. Well, he doesn't. How much you want? This much? No, I'll give you this
I'm not
much.
eating half.
I'll give you this much because you're little. So he got this much, and it has cheese in it, so it's not gonna be that bad. But yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
He eats chili every day, so he's not, doesn't taste him. Unless it's water, unless it's ice water, then it's really spicy.
No. No. No.
Oh.
Oh! No, I didn't hit it. It was close. I didn't
You hit it right here.
No, I didn't hit it. I hit the back. Give it. Go. You can't. Oh my god. So we're down to 3 cups. I think one. Why can't we make this last one? Oh my god.
Please.
Say hi. You said nothing. Oh my god, you said nothing. Just a little bit. I don't know. That's what you get for cheating. Now he gets a shot of lemon juice.
Oh, you saw that, you saw it.
Well, I have to clean my fish tank because it's really, really dirty. But we just got done doing our the challenge video, so I'm gonna be cleaning my room here. And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna try to make plans, but if plans don't happen, I'll probably go walk or even ride bikes. I need the little bike thing that attaches to the little arm to the bike, or I can even go to the aqueduct. It's cool, kind of. I'm scared. The helicopter's still there, so I'm gonna stop the vlog right here.